How do TRH, TSH, T3, and T for hormones interact? Imagine your body's thyroid system as a finely tuned feedback loop that keeps your metabolism running smoothly. It all starts in the brain with a small but mighty hormone called thyrotropin-releasing hormone, or TRH. The hypothalamus, a tiny region deep in your brain, releases TRH when your body needs more thyroid hormones. This signals the pituitary gland, located at the base of the brain, to produce and releases thyroid-stimulating hormone, or TSH. TSH then travels through your bloodstream to your thyroid gland, which is a butterfly-shaped organ in your neck. When TSH reaches the thyroid, it binds to specific receptors on thyroid cells, prompting them to produce two main hormones: thyroxine, known as T4, and triiodothyronine, called T3. T4 makes up about 80% of what the thyroid releases, and T3 about 20%. Interestingly, T4 is considered a prohormone, meaning it acts as a precursor that gets converted into T3 in various tissues like the liver and kidneys. T3 is the more active form that enters cells and binds to receptors in the nucleus, influencing gene expression and regulating your body's metabolism. As T3 and T4 circulate in your blood, most of these hormones are bound to carrier proteins, which help transport them safely. Only the free, unbound fractions are biologically active and able to exert effects on your cells. When T3 and T4 levels rise, they send a negative feedback signal to the hypothalamus and pituitary, telling them to slow down hormone production. This keeps your thyroid hormones within a healthy range. Conversely, if T3 and T4 levels drop, the hypothalamus ramps up TRH production, which then stimulates the pituitary to release more TSH, encouraging your thyroid to produce more hormones. This feedback loop is incredibly sensitive, especially TSH, which can detect tiny changes in T3 and T4 levels. That's why measuring TSH is a key part of thyroid testing, helping doctors diagnose conditions like hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism early on. In a comprehensive thyroid panel, doctors look at all these hormones together to get a full picture of your thyroid health. Understanding how TRH, TSH, T3, and T4 interact helps explain why your body maintains such precise control over your metabolism and energy levels. If you're concerned about your thyroid function, always consult a healthcare professional who can interpret these hormone levels in the context of your overall health. Remember, everyone's thyroid system can behave a little differently, so personalized medical advice is essential for proper diagnosis and treatment.